Okay, here we go, question 3. Please try to do these questions before you watch me do the video, so if you pause the video now you can have a go at this question now on a piece of paper. This question is a question to do with formulas. It's an algebra question. There's your formula. The cost is equal to 10 times the number of words plus 20 times the area of any pictures in centimetres squared. So 10 times the number of words plus 20 times the area. It's a star here. It's not because you've got to set your working out. There's not much space that you're working out. It's just there's a conversion at the end where you've got to change your answer, which here is in pence, into pounds. Not a particularly difficult thing to do, but you've got to notice that that has to be done. It will cost you a mark if you don't. So we've got an advert, 20 words, and an area of 9 centimetres squared. So we've just got to put those into our formula. So the cost is going to be 10 times 20, 10 times the number of words, plus 20 times the area, which is 9. Put that into the calculator, or we can work it out individually. You've got 200 plus 180, because 10 times 20 is 200, 29 is 180. Add those two together, we get 380 pence, and here's the extra mark for converting it, £3.80. Okay, part B, you're given an advert. This has been scaled down, but on the exam paper this horse here picture is 4 centimetres by 4 centimetres. They do actually allow you to calculate the answer between 3.9 and 4.1 if you're not measuring it accurately, or it's slightly out of scale in both directions. And we need to count up the words, which if we do count up the words, you could be very careful. I have seen people count this wrong. Number of words, n, is equal to 24, and the area is going to be 4 times 4, which is 16 centimetres squared. And then we put the numbers into the formula. We get C equals 10 times 24 plus 20 times 16, and again that's 240 plus 320, which is 560 pence, and then we convert that into pounds to get £5.60. Again, it will cost you a mark if you don't convert it to pounds. You get 1 mark for having the 24 and the 16. Those two numbers give you 1 mark, and they just need to be seen. The 16 obviously could be calculated from 3.9 or 4.1, whatever value those give you, that would be allowed as well. There's a method mark for writing out this section, and then there's an answer mark for getting to the 560. I think actually this will do, but if you get to 560 pence, there's the answer mark, and then there's 1 for making sure you convert it to £5.60. And that's question 3, worth 7 marks.